Hello everyone, today we will be swapping OpBnB to BNB Chain using Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet. We have a lance in OpBnB and BNB, as you can see. To swap it, follow the video step by step.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own.